The full moon rises above the Amazon. Its glow is a silent signal summoning the night creatures to feed, hunt, prowl, and fly. Among them, black swifts swoop and dive in the luminous night. They are acrobats plucking insects from the sky mid-aerial. It's a feeding frenzy. But as the moon climbs higher, so do the swifts. First one, then 2, then 4 kilometers into the night sky. What they do in the Earth's thin atmosphere is unknown, a mystery they have yet to reveal. As the moonlight wanes, a young swift mother descends. This is her last full moon in the Amazon before she begins her 7,000-kilometer trip to the place she was born. In the days following, she flies north with Crux, the Southern Cross constellation, at her back. Her feet have scarcely touched the earth in 8 months. Swifts eat, sleep, and dream on the wing. Tonight, with one eye open and one closed, she dreams of the cool mist settling around her future nest, of a waterfall plunging over ancient rock into a deep canyon. Home. She glides over ancient Mayan pyramids where the sun god, Kanishahao, was believed to journey through the underworld of night as a jaguar. Farther north, the sun rises on Popocatépetl, a snow-dusted volcano that looms over the Valley of Mexico. Later, as she descends to scoop a beakful of water from a river, a humpback whale breaches in the Sea of Cortez along the Baja. Days later, the snow-capped Rockies stretch before her. These sharp peaks are the jagged spine of the continent our swift will follow the rest of her journey. And finally, on a clear night she sees it. Polaris, the North Star, appears in Ursa Minor, the Little Dipper constellation. It is pointing her home. Closer now, she seeks her mate. The swifts chase each other across the sky, pursuing and weaving until a match is made. Almost home, the pair descend amidst the blackened trees. Below them, mountainsides of heart-shaped arnica, fireweed, and purple aster. Finally, they are home. The people call this Athabasca Falls. The roar of the water, the chill of the mist, the cliffs where they were born. On a rocky ledge in the water's spray, the swifts rebuild the nest so quickly abandoned the year before. They layer it with moss, mud, and spider silk. In it, our mother lays a solitary white egg. It's safe here, far from the sharp eyes of eagles and hawks. A month later, a crack. A fuzzy black chick emerges, hungry and blinking against the light. In the early twilight, the swift parents leave the nest to seek food for their baby. Fat-bellied, flying carpenter ants have emerged in the late spring heat. The swifts pluck them from the sky. As the chick grows, nearby a 3-toed woodpecker chisels tree bark for beetles. A family of wolves pass by on the hunt. The wild things are returning. The swift chick has learned to fly. Now, the family hunts together in the fading light. Soon, they will feel the tug of the magnetic south. They will begin their return flight along the high backs of the Rockies. One day, the Southern Cross will appear, a promise of full moons and feeding frenzies above the wild jungle. The cycle will begin again.